Flitterbug. Look at that twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, for a yummy size. Yummy size.
Dandelions growing big and strong.
Big and strong like me. And like you too, Baba. Here. Huh? They want you to plant a fuzzy flower, Baba. It was a fuzzy seed all along.
Yes, it must have floated here on the breeze to find a place to settle and grow.
Now it can grow big and strong. Big and strong. Just like us. Blueberry. Thank you. Wow, a blueberry for us to eat, Baba. Nom, nom, nom. Well done, everyone.
Oh, there's nothing like a good stretch after a busy day. Reaching high, up to the sky.
Hold on tight, Baba. Whee! Look! 1, 2, 3 things to play with. 3 things to choose from. A snuggly blanket, a teddy bear, or a cuddly star. All of them! Father, we can only pick one.
MeMo's right. Which toy to choose?
Teddy bear! Yes, let's play with the teddy bear.
No, who doesn't love a teddy bear?
Ooh, slide. Whee! Down you go, Teddy. Whee! Ooh. Paint Teddy, Baba. That's so good. Bounce, Teddy, bounce! No! Sorry, Teddy. I'm going to give you a hug.
Well, it made Baba feel better.
There you go, Teddy. Hug!
And when the sun is low, it's time to go to the lullaby lake.
It's time to sleep now, Baba. No sleep. Aw, because we didn't find your flower? Look! Your flower! Thanks, Tweety.
And just in time.
Yes! Brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Oh, it tickles.
Ah, the lullaby lake.
Hello, Fongy and Pongy.
Gently rocking along the shore as you sail on the lullaby lake. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the lullaby lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me. The clickety-clack of the go-go chew, bringing you to me. Are you ready for a story to send you to BeddyByes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
It was a day like today when you both played spinning round and round.
Dizzy circle.
Yes, you both got dizzy after all that spinning, didn't you? Giggling and spinning with your spinny circles, so happy and free. You taught MeMo how to spin, Baba, so kind. And MeMo, you helped Baba flip a pancake, so kind too.
Round pancakes, Grandma Liba.
That's right, MeMo. The pancakes were round and circle-shaped. Ellie Whale blew bubbles that made circles on the water as you followed a lullaby home. To the Bay of Books, where I tell you the story of two little friends and their busy day, with circles and spinning, side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba, my sleepy, spinny friends. Good night, Coco. Good night, Playtree. Night-night, Tweeties. Good night, Yummies. Sweet dreams, Fungy and Pungy. You too, Ellie Whale. Good night, Planet BeddyByes. And good night, you.